I'm trying to elevate my lifestyle, and these subscription boxes promise to be able to help me with that. Hang out with me while I open up this FabFitFun box, see what I got, and if I'm impressed with the quality of the items that I picked up, I'm excited, hopeful, but a little bit skeptical, and I want to share that with you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around and let's get into it.
Please tell me, what do you say? Freeze up, knees up. I get nervous just to look at you.
Hi, I'm Jeanique, and I don't remember what I picked out in here because it was months ago. Now, I wasn't part of the first round of people picking the things out, and I don't have any strategies or anything because I'm new to all of this, but I am very excited. I'm hopeful everything in here is great quality because even though they're discounted, they're not free, and I want good quality shit for whatever price that I'm paying. So help me open this up and let's talk about the items that I got. I'll show them off and tell you why I got them. We'll have like a low-key chat. You'll see what I like outside of fragrances, because mostly what I love is fragrances, but I like other things, allegedly. So let's get into it.
Walk away. We could sneak out on the weekend. Give me the time and place.
The inside of this is so pretty, y'all. I love when they do up the boxes unnecessarily. I enjoy that a whole lot. So let's go through these items one at a time and I will take you through everything. First up, ooh, this is the pitcher that I bought. I plan to be making a lot of cocktails that need to be stored in the fridge. Like I can just reach for it when I feel like it because it is that season. Is there a watermelon cocktail in my future? Yes, obviously. Is there some version of a mojito that needs to be sitting in my fridge because it's the summertime? Yes. So I felt like a pitcher was warranted. Okay. Y'all, look at this. It is pink. There are squiggly lines. It's pretty, y'all. It's not perfect because I just took it out of the box, but let me show it to y'all. Look at that. Yeah, I love the squiggly line. I love the size. Look, that's a lot of mojito in here. That's a lot of a watermelon vodka cocktail with a little bit of lime that I'm like envisioning right now. You know what I mean? Like this looks real good. I wish I had matching glasses to go with this because that would be a vibe. That'd be cute. I'm gonna keep an eye out for some cute matching pink glasses basically. But this is the first item and I love her. I love her. I'm so excited about this one. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, I remember this. This is Sancia Australia's. This is a sunglass case because I plan to go on vacation where I bring multiple sunglasses with me. I have individual sunglass cases. Well, is that good enough? No, because this looks real fancy to me. Look at that. It looks nice, right? Feel real bougie, y'all. Oh my God, look at the front of here. Like, look at that. That is nice. You can hang it up. On vacation, I plan to bring this on vacation with me. Where am I going? I don't know. Going somewhere, it's the summer. So this is for my 3 favorite sunglasses. I'm excited. This is a good buy. This was a good choice. I am having no regrets so far. I made some good choices, y'all. Did. Okay. Oh, this feels like jewelry to me personally. So this is our spare change. I don't know if that's the brand. We're gonna open this up and see what it gives. If you love these kinds of unboxing videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'll be doing more of these videos in the future and you don't wanna miss out. So go ahead, do the thing. Now let's get back to the video. So it looks as if, is this the tiniest bracelet in history? Is this even a bracelet? Is this even for wrists? Is this for a child? FabFitFun? Look at that. My fingers can barely fit. Look at it. Can this fit me? I'm gonna open it up. Stretch it out. I hope it don't break on me. Okay. That's where we're at with it. Let me turn it around. You know what? It's delicate and cute. It does fit. It does fit. And as you can see, this is a vibe I like to go for because I already own some shit that looks real similar. Let's bring this down. I have a problem duplicating looks. So, yeah, I like her. It's small though. I wish it was bigger. We always want things bigger. Okay, so I also got this green tea caffeine bright eye serum because from Innisfree. I haven't tried a ton of Innisfree. I did a Sephora haul, I want to say October, November. I don't remember. I will link that video where I picked up some Innisfree items. I did not pick this up. So I do love a serum, especially one that promises to, you know, get rid of dark circles. And this one does. Oh, look at that. It has like a roller ball at the end that I can do under here. I'm about to look youthful, y'all. I'm gonna be like 10 years younger when Innisfree is done with me. I am hopeful and delusional at the exact same time. That is the vibe. That's the vibe. Oh, I was talking about glasses, y'all. I did not realize I had planned well because you know what this is? Glasses for my picture. Look at me thinking ahead. I don't remember picking this out at all. I remember the picture because I was excited. Maybe because this wasn't the vibe I wanted for the glasses, but I had to settle because there were no bright pink glasses with squiggly like lines. Hold on, this is not opening. Okay, there we go. They are squiggly. They are squiggly. They're not pink, but they're squiggly. I'm so happy right now. It's not fair. Look. Look at the squiggly. It's like purple. It's purple and pink, y'all. I have a balcony. It's on the 4th floor. I get to look out on the like sunsets and all with drinks and squiggly glasses. Oh, I'm so happy. Can anybody be this happy over home goods? I am. I'm happy over home goods. As it turns out, I got more jewelry, allegedly, apparently. This was not a very like balanced selection. It's just like jewelry, glassware, basically. This is from Maryln Schiff. Can see it there. I'm gonna open it up. This also looks tiny. Maybe everything looks tiny to me because I oversize shit so much. Can this fit a finger? Oh, this fits. Fits easily. It looks small. Maybe my fingers are tiny and skinny. It's pretty. Look at that. Hold on. I feel very low. Let me calm down. Look at that. It's delicate. It's delicate and cute. Yes, load. Less load. Cute and delicate. Cute. I love that. It could be, like it's a little big, low key. I'm gonna try it on my middle finger. It's a little big for my ring finger. This is the finger. This is the finger for it. I'm into that. I'm into that. Let's stack them. Let's stack them, baby. Look at that. It goes. I'm not even gonna take it off. We have the box empty. The box is empty, y'all. We have one item left in this little unboxing, and I'm very excited. It is a summer bag, y'all. It is a tote. Okay, let's open it up. It has stripes on the inside, like cream stripes. It says, life is for fun, your clothes should be too. You're right. Clothes should be fun, not basic, should be loud and extra. It says, show me your Mumu. What's nice is that this feels good, and then out here is like a canvas, and here like not a bamboo or anything, but it has that sort of rough feel to it. It feels very summery. There is a zipper at the top that I can close everything. This will be a good like summer picnic bag that I can go out in. Now, do I want it to be white? Like on paper, yes, because the white gives clean and pretty, but it may get dirty. Hopefully it's washable. I don't know if there are like care instructions in here that I can see that they can tell me, you may wash this in spot clean, y'all. So I cannot put it in the washing machine. They said spots clean. It is 85% paper, I guess this is the paper. And it's 15% polyester and the inside is 100% polyester. So, you know, we're not dealing with like crazy, you know, materials, but it is nice for like those summer runs. You're going to the beach, you need like a bag with your beach towel and everything. Like I think this would be a great choice. So I am very happy with this one. I picked good, y'all. Now, do I think I got too much jewelry? Maybe, because that's 2 whole items. Did I get too much glassware? Maybe, possibly, allegedly. The item that I am most excited about, I don't know about you and like what you would be most excited about, but it's the picture for me, y'all. Like I don't have a picture. I don't know how that happened. I don't know how, I do not own a picture at all. And so I'm very excited to make hard lemonades in here with some crystal lights, a little bit of tequila, and a lot of lime. I'm so excited. Like y'all don't even understand how I'm about to get into this hard. And most of my glasses are real basic. So I'd say these are my 2 favorite items of everything. And for that reason alone, I picked well, because I'm going to get a lot of use out of these, feeling fancy and pretty and like elevated summer. So FabFitFun came through for me, or I came through for myself by picking well, basically. So those were all 7 items, right? And it seems as if y'all, I was thinking I didn't pick good or didn't pick varied enough, but I feel like I picked in themes, because one says vacation, the vacation bag, and the sunglass case. The under eye help, because I'm about to be exhausted just being out way too much. 2 pieces of jewelry, a cute little bracelet, and a ring that goes with everything. That feels real delicate and demure to me, basically. And more importantly, the MVPs of this like unboxing, y'all, it is the picture and the glass. I'm so excited about all of these. I'm going to get use out of everything. FabFitFun, my first little mini introduction. That was quick, that was fast, but I very much enjoyed it. So thank you for unboxing that with me. I know it was quick and dirty. It was fun. I have more unboxings to come, because did I get other boxes that I have not yet opened up yet from FabFitFun because I have been distracted? Yes. I'm going to share those boxes as well. Do I forget everything that I got in those earlier boxes? Yes, because they were so long ago. And, you know, my memory is trash. I thank you so much for being here. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate it if you're already subscribed. Thank you so much. You're a real one. Again, I'm Jeanique, a lover of all things that make life fancy. And if I'm enjoying and embracing the fanciness, I'm going to share it with you because I'm a giver. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.